Hello everybody, welcome back to our 37 Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your Motorola Moto G31. So first, what you guys want to do is check the headphones. So test your headphones with another device to make sure that they're working, and try inspecting the headphone jack right here for any visible damage or dust inside it that may be blocking the connection. Now after that, what you guys can do is restart the phone. So hold the power button, now click on restart, and your phone will start restarting. So I'll see you guys once my phone is ready to use. Now after the phone restart, what you guys can do is try another pair of headphones. So grab another pair and try to connect them to your USB. Sorry, not the USB, but the 3.5mm jack, as you guys can see here, and see if they are being detected on your phone. So unlock the device. As you guys can see, after we play something, then we will be able to see if they are working. Now basically, after you unplug them, you guys can also test them with another device too. But if you already did that, then let's move on and check for the software updates. So go to the settings. Here in the settings, we want to scroll down until we see the system updates. Now in the system updates, we want to click on the check for updates button, and it will check automatically. As you guys can see, everything looks good for me. But if it doesn't look good for you and you have some updates to do, then make sure you do them, because they can fix that issue. Now after that, what you guys can do is clean the headphone jack. So you can use a toothpick or a small brush to carefully remove any dust or debris that may be stored inside it and that may be blocking the connection. So now after that, let's move on to the Bluetooth headphones. Here basically we need to go over to the settings and scroll up to the connected devices. Here, let's click on connection preferences and go to Bluetooth. Now, as you guys can see, my Bluetooth is disabled, but right now we're gonna enable it for a second. Then we're gonna turn it off and wait a couple of seconds too. After we wait those couple of seconds, we can enable it back and then try and connect to our headphones. If that didn't work, then we can forget them right here. We will have our devices and you can just forget them and then repair them again. And make sure that you charge your headphones fully so that they are actually able to connect and they are not discharged. Now, what you guys want to do next is avoid any Wi-Fi or device interference. So when you're using some headphones that you use on any other device, then they may be connected to another device instead of your phone, and that may be bad. So you guys want to make sure that there's no device blocking your connection with the headphones. And after that, what you guys can do is scroll a bit down until you guys see the system. Now here in the system, we want to go over to the reset options as a last resort, and we want to reset Wi-Fi, mobile network, and Bluetooth. Now this will reset all network settings, including, and here we have it listed. We want to reset those settings, then we will have to connect to the Wi-Fi again, mobile data will be fresh, and the Bluetooth, we will have to connect every single device again. But after the reset, everything will work. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.